Alright, what's up? So, 18th time's a charm. This time I just said screw the tablet. I got my girlfriend's phone. This has got to be working now. So what's up, everybody? Alright, so, again, this is the Nectar straws. We're going to make little Nectar straws. They're quick, easy, smokable things. And this time this video is going to actually work. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to make a bubble. We're going to pop a hole in it. That'll be a mouthpiece. We're going to put a little dot so it doesn't roll off. What's up, Jeremy? This thing's actually fucking working for once. So anyway, we're going to pop a hole in the bubble. That'll be a mouthpiece. We're going to put a little dot on it. Just keep it from rolling off the table. We're going to stretch it. We're going to open the end, and that'll be the part that you heat up and do your things with. What's up, Buster? It's blank. Are you kidding me? It's a blank screen. M, can you see me? Buster says it's a blank screen. Alright. Okay, so everybody but you, Buster. Screw you, Buster. Alright, so everybody can see just fine. Man, I've been struggling trying to get this live fucking video going all day. It's the last one I gotta do for this, well, maybe not the last one, but it's the last one that I'm doing today. I mean, I'm going to do one a little bit after this one for these wine glasses. But for now, like I said, we're doing this one for Cali Culture, the Best Monday Ever event that's coming up on March 5th. And where was I? It's March 5th, Cali Culture, Best Monday Ever. We're going to have bands. We're going to have live glass blowing lessons. People are going to be taking home whatever they can make that day. We're going to guarantee that you make something and you get to take it home. Like I said, though, it's March 5th on Monday at Josh Joseph's Cali Culture. Alright, so again, we're going to make a Nectar straw. Let's fucking do this before this live video screws up. It works. Yeah, I know. It's been a crazy day trying to figure this fucking live feed out. I gotta get a new phone. That's what's gotta happen. Alright, so for these quick Nectar straws, man, I make these for my friends. Just when they ain't got nothing to use. A quick smoking piece. Or for the new guys who've never tried concentrates before and they don't want to spend money on a nice nectar collector because they don't know if they're even going to like it or what. So make these real quick. Hey, what's up, sis? Yeah, she's feeding me well. I've actually lost 30 pounds, Brett. I'm down to 200. Alright. I gotta stop getting distracted by you guys and make this piece. But I love you guys. So, I'm just gonna make a quick ball on the end of here, and then we're gonna blow that ball out. Nice and slow and even, and you get a nice even ball. So, I'll blow it out just a little more. Hey fam. It's good to see a bunch of people tuning in. This is just a quick demo though. You guys should stay tuned because I'm going to do a second video. This is going up on the Cali Culture page. The next video I'm going to do here in a minute, I'm going to put together these Ohio State wine glasses. I've been having trouble with one of them all day. It's just not been my day. So there could be a lot of cussing. There could be some jumping around and hooting and hollering. We don't know. We'll see what happens. Either way, it's gonna be fun, or it's gonna be something. Alright, so I popped a little hole in the end now. That's going to be your mouthpiece right there. I like to ream it out a little bit. So, we blew a bubble. We popped the hole. Now, we're going to put a small piece of color on it. Alright, going live is actually pretty distracting, man. I want to pay attention and read all the comments, but it's really hard to do. Alright, so anyway, you put a little dot on it, and you make sure that dot gets melted in so you can't get your fingernail around the edges of it. That way it won't crack on you when it cools off. But that little dot right there is going to keep it from rolling off the table when you put it down. You gotta be careful just to heat the dot and not the piece too much, because the piece will start to collapse and bend over on you and lose its shape. That's pretty good. So there is the dot. Now you got your mouthpiece, now you got your table stopper, your roller. You're gonna heat up your grabbers, and you're gonna grab this thing. And now we're going to heat up about that much of it. We're going to pull it a little bit, and that's going to be the straw part where you can heat it up with your torch and get your dab in. Heat up that much and just start pulling real soft. This one didn't go very straight, but you know what? It doesn't really matter. The more it cools off, the harder you can pull that and straighten it out. Now I'm going to heat it up back here and cut that off. So you got something like that. A little messy. So I'm going to clean that up. So it's got a little point on it. And while that's cooling, I'm going to make a ball on my punny. And there's a little trick here. You're going to smash that ball over that point. And now when I crack that off, there's going to be a hole there. It's a cheater trick. Now there's a hole. So I'm just going to flame polish that hole. Ream it open a little. And we're done. Now you got yourself a little nectar straw that you can quickly make for your friends or yourself who don't have the cash to pay for a full-size nectar collector. These don't last too long, but they last good enough and they do the trick. So we'll be making those on March 5th. Best Monday ever. That's the Monday after this Monday. We'll be at Cali Culture. There's going to be a couple of good bands playing, live music. I'm not sure if we're doing food and drinks, but Josh always hooks something up. I'm sure there'll be something. If not, we're close to a bunch of stuff there, and it's going to be fun, man. It's going to be a blast. I don't know if there's going to be any spots open, so if you guys want to do the $50 hour lesson deal, you better get a hold of Josh quick. I'll put him in the, what's up, Ayo? I'll put him in the comments. Alright, for the rest of you guys, stick around. I'm going to start a new video here in about 5 minutes, and we're going to do some wine glasses. So, love you guys. There it is.